Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to drawing course. In this lecture we're gonna show how to create broken out section. With broken out section we can expose inner detail of our model. So we have this model and we know what is inside. With broken out section we can expose inner detail of our model. So we have this model and we know what is inside because we created this model. But if someone is reading this circle, we wanna know that that person will know that something is inside. And we want to show that we can use section view as well, but if we don't need a cross section, then we can use broken out section. We can apply broken out section to isometric view and to the orthogonal view. So let's go to drawing. And here we have broken out section. When we click on broken out section, nothing happened at first, we don't notice anything. But if we move our mouse, we see the cursor has changed to spline. So first, we have to create a spline. So let's go here to our isometric view and let's create a spline. Something like this. And on the left side, we have to define the depth. We have two ways how to define depth. We can use an existing edge, and then we have to use this dialog box. Or we can go with numerical value. First, we're gonna show with numerical value. So instead of 10, let's go with 70. And here we can check preview. And now we can see the preview. And okay. And now the person who is reading our drawing knows that there is something inside. We can also play broken out section to orthogonal view. So let's go to broken out section. And let's create a spline here. Like this. Okay. But now instead of the numerical value, we're gonna use existing edge. So we're gonna choose this edge here, like this. We can click preview. And okay. And now we see what is inside. So this is really simple tool that can expose the inner details of our model. As well, we can edit broken out section. We can edit depth. So we can, instead of edge, we can use numerical value or vice versa. And we can edit our spline. So if we go to our tree on the left side, we have driving view 1. And we see this is this one. We see the highlighted rectangle. Let's click on this arrow. And here we have broken out section. Now we see our spline. Let's right click on it and here we have two options. We can edit definition and we can edit sketch. Let's first edit definition. So instead of edge, we want to use numerical value. So right click here and delete. And now here we can put 60. And okay. And this is it. Now we want to change our spline. So let's go here again. Right click and edit sketch. And now we can move our sketch here. Like this. Like this. And okay. And we don't see changes now. So let's go here, rebuild. Rebuild. And now we see our changes. And this is how we can create broken out section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.